Welcome to Beloved Watch. My name is Thomas, and today we're talking about the Rolex Datejust 126233. Originally released in 2018, this newest iteration of the Rolex Datejust is the modern starting point for many new collectors. The first Rolex Datejust dates back to 1945 when it was released in celebration of the 40th anniversary of Rolex. The Datejust is the first time the brand produced an automatic date function. The 126233 is powered by an automatic Rolex caliber 3235, which has a 70-hour power reserve. The Rolex Datejust has a 36mm case diameter, which fits well on a variety of wrist sizes. The quintessential beginner Rolex measures in at 11.8mm in thickness. The Datejust is produced in a variety of dial colors, textures, and gem settings. The stick, hour, and minute hands are yellow gold with a high polish finish. This sunburst olive green dial features bold yellow gold Roman numeral hour markers and factory diamond 6 and 9 Roman numeral hour markers. The 126233 case features high polished lugs and an 18-karat yellow gold fluted bezel. This model is also produced with a factory diamond bezel or smooth steel or gold bezel. In closing, the Rolex Datejust is the gateway watch to becoming a full-blown watch nut. A wonderful unisex line produced in a variety of metals, both two-tone and solid, accompanied by a vast variety of dial, bezel, and bracelet combinations. If you're in the market but unsure where to start, use the Datejust as home base. My name is Thomas. This is Beloved Watch. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.